Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Somebody on guitar. We will begin by learning the 4 fundamental open chords: G major, C major, E minor, and D major. These chords form the backbone of the entire song. Focus on clear finger placement and smooth transitions between each chord. Practice them slowly, ensuring each note rings out cleanly before moving to the next. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A straightforward and effective pattern for Love Somebody is down, down, up, up, down. Maintain a steady, even tempo as you practice this. Remember to keep your wrist relaxed and loose. This will help you achieve a smooth and natural sound. Try counting out loud as you strum to help internalize the rhythm. Consistency is key here, so take your time. Now, let's look at the song's structure. Love Somebody primarily follows a verse-chorus format with a bridge section. Practice each part individually, focusing on the chord changes and strumming within those sections. Start at a very slow pace, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and overall precision, making your playing much tighter. Finally, it's time to put everything together and play the full song. Start by playing through the entire piece at a comfortable, slow tempo. Don't be afraid to sing along. This helps immensely with your timing and musicality, connecting the guitar to the vocals. With consistent practice, you will soon be able to play Love Somebody smoothly and confidently, sharing your music with others. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.